Hey, how's it going? I'm Chef Jordan Andino, and today we're transforming classic chicken wings with the help of Ventura food sauces. And with some simple techniques and good plating, we'll make wings that are elevated yet effortless. So let's get started with the base of our dish. To get that perfect crispy finish, we're frying the wings in Ventura Foods Mel-Fry oil. This oil is a game changer in professional kitchens. Why? Let me show you.
This oil is so versatile, plus it has a clean taste and it lasts longer than your average oil, so it's reliable and perfect for those busy kitchen days when consistency matters most. Once they're fried to perfection, I like to baste the wings with a little butter for that added richness. SunGlow European-style butter blend has the perfect texture for savory dishes. It's rich but light and really helps enhance the flavor. Now comes the fun part. Let's talk sauces. Ventura Foods has an amazing lineup that can completely change your flavor game. We're using Wilsey cold dippable mayo, the perfect sauce starter, mixed with Hidden Valley Buffalo Ranch. Spicy, tangy, and sticks to the wings like a dream. Next, Sauce Craft Chipotle Barbecue Sauce. Sweet with just enough kick to keep things interesting. And then, Hidden Valley Golden Honey Mustard, a perfect balance of sweet and tangy. Look at that. Each sauce sticks evenly to the wings, giving us that perfect flavor coverage.
What's a wing without a dip? Am I right? So here we have Hidden Valley Jalapeno Ranch Dressing, a creamy, cool companion to any wing. And of course, how can we forget about Hidden Valley Blue Cheese Dressing, a bold and classic combo.
But wait, we're not done. We're making a new dip. We're using Wilsey cold dippable mayonnaise and sriracha sauce for a creamy, spicy combo that'll take your wings to the next level. The cool creaminess of these dressings and dips brings balance to every bite. Trust me, it's an experience.
Now for a little surprise. I'm gonna show you how to use Sauce Craft hot honey sauce in a completely unexpected way, a mocktail.
Who knew a sauce could do this right? It's all about thinking outside the box and letting your creativity flow in the kitchen.
So there you have it. Ventura Foods products not only give you versatility and quality to your kitchen, but also inspire creativity in every dish. Whether it's sauces, dips, or performance oils, at Ventura Foods, we're all about crafting innovative and tailored food solutions that help restaurants create culinary delights your customers' taste buds will love. See you next time for more tasty inspiration. Like a star around the corner, the boy said you want to drink juice and I really don't wanna. So there you had it. Ventura Foods products not only give you... I'm celebrating tonight, believe that. Believe that.